Good morning, traders. How's everybody doing today? Thank you guys once again for tuning into another video. Let's make this quick. We're going to recap the trades that we made on the day. Today, couple of good ones, couple forced trades. Nonetheless, we're green on the day, about 370 bucks. Was up to close to 600, 550, and then kind of forced the two trades, gave back some paper cuts, and end the day up about 370 bucks. All right, so traded Facebook today. First time I've traded Facebook in a long time, but traded a total of 1,000 shares. Made $387 in total on this one today. Two really just pretty much fast momentum trades. So first trade here was 500 shares short. Basically, as this fails on this little lower high setup, let me draw here. Kind of a lower high breaks down below the VWAP, so I get short at 500 shares at 167.62 and cover up the 500 shares at 166.96. So pretty decent trade right there. And then it took another short. This one I caught just barely, caught it a little late, and that's why I took it off really fast too. So within this 1 minute candle, I ended up getting short 500 shares at 166.03 and took them off at 165.90. So a 13-cent trade there. Really not a whole lot. Caught it a little late. So first trade, you could basically say to yourself, Connor, why'd you take this trade? If you looked at the market was getting a tad bit bearish at that moment. Yeah, market was going a little bit red. This failed this little move. It was getting weak. I could see sellers coming in. We're about to break the VWAP, so got short. Pays off. Next one here, I wasn't paying attention to Facebook. I actually kind of brought Facebook back up on the screen. I was like, oh, that's an inverse cup and handle. So right, if you were to think about a cup, I don't have my drawing tools on right now, so I'm not going to worry too much about them, but I'll draw it with the trend line. So here we have a cup and handle pattern, so to speak, like this. It goes down to like here, right, and then here's the handle, and then there's the breakdown. Okay, so there's an inverse cup and handle. That's why I took that short trade. So, as Facebook's kind of coming out of this little bearish flag, bearish wedge, we end up getting short 500 shares, 166, covers up at 165. Caught it a tad bit late. I think I actually got in more like 166.03, like down here, literally down there. That's where I got filled. I seen it, clicked the button to short. As I click, market drops down. I get a fill way down here in this candle. So I'm already like, well, got to get out of this trade quick because really you want to be in here, but I got in down here. So the whole trade plan gets shifted and you have to think basically on the spot and go, okay, well, I wanted it here, but now I'm in right at the low of the candle, not where I wanted to be. My whole game plan for the trade then changes, which basically means I'm going to get out of this trade as soon as I make money on it because it's not what I wanted, but I'm going to take what I can get. So got to fill way down here because the market drops, and next thing you know, I'm in on this low candle, so I cover up and just take the small win, which is I think like 60 bucks or something. I don't even remember. Either way, $387. I'll take it. Next one of the day is Netflix. These are only two tickers I traded, so I ended up going red on Netflix. Was up a bit at one point. But anyways, first trade here actually made money on. Basically a wedge trade, little descending triangle formation break. So short 200 shares at 351.17, covered up 150 shares at 350.23, and then took the last 50 shares off at break even, or actually a little bit past break even, excuse me. So it took the last 50 shares off at 351.23. So entry, again, descending wedge formation, channel, break. So short as we start to break through the wedge, cover up down towards 350, which if you looked yesterday was the consolidation level, right here, 350. We consolidated this level all day yesterday. So if I zoom out, you'll see it better. So you can consolidate 350, right? So that's kind of a support. So I knew we'd probably bounce around this 350 zone. And then I kind of took a short trade here, looking to see if it would break down low a day. That was more of a forced short. I was green on it for a second, then went red, took off right here. So I ended up losing like 80 bucks there. Then I shorted again for the breakdown. Market wasn't quite ready to break down, so it squeezed up again. So I took that off for a small loss. And then right here where it rolls over, the market actually kind of broke down. So this is a mistake that I made. This one was a reasonable short. This one I shouldn't have taken. You never short kind of in weakness at support. Made that mistake today. And secondly, you never short into a support level if it's the first attempt. This would be the third attempt. That one's like reasonable. Fourth attempt, even better. So just jump the gun on this trade. So it was up about 150 or 60 bucks, 130 bucks or something on Netflix today. Ended down 24 bucks. So, you know, taking all that into consideration for the day, you know, did pretty decent. Yeah, I did pretty decent. So, nonetheless, $363 day with commission. It's probably like 340 bucks with a couple trades that I made. So, 2 trades on Facebook, 3 trades on Netflix, 3. So, you know, I made 5 trades in total. 3 green, 2 red, so consistency still a little better than 50% there, so happy with it. Hope you guys liked the video. These are all called out live in the room. We take these trades live with our members every single day. Whether we win or lose, they're all called out live, so you can learn from them. You can try and trade with us if you choose to do so. Feel free to join us. Everything you need to know about our company and our team will be linked in the description of the video below. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you learned something new today, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.